Hello students, I am Rachna. Today we are going to discuss problems on money. Our first question is, Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupee coin as he has 5 rupee coin. It means if Bansi has x 5 rupees coin, then he has 3x 2 rupees coin. So money from 5 rupee coin is 5x. For example, if you have one 5 rupee coin if you have one 5 rupee coin, then money is 5 into 1, 5. If you have two 5 rupee coin, then money is 5 into 2, that is 10. And if you have x 5 rupees coin, so money from 5 rupee coin is 5 into x. And money from 2 rupee coin is, as we have 3x as the number of 2 rupee coin, so money from 2 rupee coin is 2 into 3x, that is 6x. So it is also given that sum of money is rupees 77. So if we add these two, 5x plus 6x, this is equal to 77. This is given in the question. So here we got simple equation. So solve it for x. We get x is equal to 7. As we have x is the number of 5 rupee coin, so number of 5 rupee coin is 7. So what will be the number of 2 rupees coin? As we have 3x 2 rupee coin, so number of 2 rupee coin is 3 into x, that is 3 into 7 equal to 21. So we have 21 2 rupees coin and 7 5 rupees coin. Our next question is, Devashi has a total of rupees 590. So Devashi has 590 rupees in form of 50 rupees, 20 rupees and 10 rupee note. Again, ratio of number of 50 rupees note and 20 rupees note is 3:5. So let's suppose number of 50 rupee note is 3x and number of 20 rupees note is 2x. So number of 50 rupee note is 3x. So amount from 50 rupee note is 3x into 50, that is equal to 150. So how it comes? Suppose if you have 150 rupee note, then how much money you have? 50 into 1, that is equal to 50. If you have 250 rupees note, then money is 50 into 2, that is 100. If you have 3x 50 rupees note, so amount is 50x into 3x, that is equal to 150x. As 20 rupee no number of 20 rupees note is 5x, so amount from 20 rupee note is 5x into 20, that is equal to 100x. Again it is given that total notes are 25, so 50 rupee notes and 20 rupee notes add up to 8x, so remaining are the 10 rupee notes. So here we have 25 total notes, so and 8x 50 and 20 rupee notes, so 10 rupee notes are 25 minus 8x. So amount from 10 rupee note is number of notes into 10. Number of notes is 25 minus 8x multiply 10 is equal to 250 minus 80x. Again it is given in the question that sum of money is 590. So if we add the amount, we got 150x plus 100x plus 250 minus 80x, that is equal to 590. It is given in the question. So here we got simple equation. So solve it for x. We got x is equal to 2. So number of 50 rupees coin is 3x. So 3 into 2 is 6. So number of 50 rupees note is 6. Number of 20 rupees note is 5x. So if we put value of x, 5 into 2 is 10. So, and number of 10 rupees note is 25 minus 8x. So here we put value of x, we got 25 minus 16, that is equal to 9. Like this, we have to solve this question. Our next question is, the organizer of an essay competition decide that a winner in competition get prize of rupees 100. Winner of competition will get prize of rupees 100. Participant who did not win gets prize of 25 rupees. Total money distributed is 3,000 and total number of participants is 63. All these things given in the question. So we have to find the number of winner. So let's suppose number of winner is equal to x. As total number of participant is 63 and number of winner is x, so number of participant who did not win is total number of participant minus number of winner, that is equal to 63 minus x. So total amount given to winner is, as amount given to winner is 100 and number of winner is x. So total amount given to winner is 100 into x. So amount given to participant who did not win get prize, as the number of participant who did not win is 63 minus x and amount given to them is 25. So total amount is equal to 25 into number of participant who did not win, that is equal to 63 minus x. Here we got 1575 minus 25x. So again in the question it is given that total amount distributed is 3000x. So total prize money is equal to total amount given to winner plus total amount given to participant who did not win. Put up these values and solve it for x. So as the x is number of winners, so we can easily find out the number of winners. Like this, you have to solve the question. Here are some examples. You have to try this. If you have any problem, then get back to me. Thank you.